Greetings, this is Carl from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and this is a quick tech tip. Now, often there are times when you want to grab a quick shot of your screen, a quick screen grab, whether you want to get a copy of an error message, or perhaps like this example, we're going to grab a section of this website so that we can turn it into JPEG to use in some other way. And that's really simple to do on a Mac. Simply press the command button, shift, and the number 4 simultaneously, and you'll see that your mouse here turns into sort of this crosshair sign. Simply place that in the top corner of the area that you want to capture, left click and hold, and then drag it to the area where you want to finish that capture. And you can see that whole gray fuzzy area is the area that we're going to capture. And then let go. And it's as simple as that. This will save a copy of that JPEG image to your desktop. And there are a couple of tools. Once you have that on your desktop, if you open that up in preview mode, you can open up some tools like some pen tools to draw if you wanted to bring some highlight to an area or something. There's area to create some shapes and what have you. The ability to make some additional edits to that as you go. And that's pretty much it. We can go over the preview tool in another episode of Tech Tips. If you need to reach out to us about this tool or any other aspect of your teaching, please send us an email at CETL@une.edu. Be well and have a great day.